Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cast laptop to TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to have your TV, Android TV or any other TV that supports screencast. Now turn on the TV and then turn on the Bluetooth if required, or turn on the Wi-Fi if required. Now once you are done with that, here on your laptop what you need to do is click on this notification bar right here, and then there you'll find the option that says connect or project, right? Simply click on this project, and here you'll find the option that says pre-see only, duplicate, extend or second screen, right? Now what you need to do is click on this connect to a wireless display. What you need to do is turn on the Bluetooth of your TV as well. Now once connected, all you gotta do is just simply follow the on-screen instructions like pairing code and pairing process, and once that's done, you will have successfully cast your laptop to your TV. That's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.